Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 70, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to control the music on your phone with your watch. And this could be useful, for example, if you're working out and you have your phone in your pocket or maybe in a backpack or somewhere, and you're listening to music on that phone and you want to change song, maybe you want to increase or decrease the volume, but you don't want to pull out your phone from your pocket or your backpack. You can just use your watch to control that. And of course I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. And to use your watch to control the music on your phone, of course your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, you will also need to allow some permissions. So if you open the app, and after you open it and sync the devices together, you see any notifications about the permissions needed for something to work. You can go to the even notification panel right here. If you see any notifications, allow the permissions by tapping on allow on the notification. And if you don't see any notifications and you're not sure, you can go to device page of your watch. You can go, for example, to notifications and alerts, and then smart notifications, turn on the notifications, and if you don't have the required permissions, you should see the pop-up. Also, you can go to the Android phone, or on the Android phone, you can go to specific setting. So you go to settings, apps, special app access, and look for something with notifications. Here it's called notification read, reply, and control. On some other versions of Android, it might be called device and app notifications, something like that. And tap on it, and you should see list of allowed and not allowed. And Garmin Connect should be on the list. Make sure the allow notification access is enabled for it. And once you're done, you can control the music on your phone with your watch. So let's say you're gonna start playing music on your phone. Let's say we're gonna open the Spotify and go to the CS Nostalgia, start playing it. We have an ad, so let's wait until it's done. And come on, how long is this ad? Okay, and the music is playing, and if you go to your watch, you can press start button right here, then scroll down through this page, and you have this music icon, music menu basically, and you can tap on it. And here we have our music menu. We can control the music on our watch with it, and you can pause, play. You can go next. You can also go previous by tapping on this three dots icon, and here we have the previous song. And it won't work on the free version of Android, because not Android but Spotify, because why would it? For some reason, previous song is locked behind the paywall, which is wild concept to me, but it is what it is. You can also control the volume right here in this menu. So if you tap on volume, you can then use your finger to adjust the volume on your phone. It's a bit wonky, as you can see. It's not very responsive, and it just keeps changing for some reason. I don't understand why. Something is wrong with it, but once you get used to it, it's good. You can control the volume with it. Okay. And basically that's how you control the music. You can also do this during the workout. So let's say you start some workout. Let's say we start run, and you're working out, and let's say you want to change the song. You can swipe left, come on, left, and here we have the music control menu, and you can again pause, play, go next, previous, control the volume and stuff like that. Okay, and that's how you control the music on your phone by using your watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.